All right, guys, you wouldn't believe me if I told you it snowed an inch last night.
Yeah, seriously.
So anyway, it warmed up. It's like 45 out. But we got the crazy little snow. I'm sure most of you guys in the Midwest got it too. And I think up in the New England area. So anyway, it is April 7th.
Yep, 7th.
And Brandon's picking up his car. He couldn't pick it up last weekend when we were done with it. So I just wanted to show you guys outside before it's done. I know it's kind of dark right here because the sun's the other way, but here is the shaved bumper. Actually, Brent re-wiped it off whenever he had the wet rag. So he smeared it. Anyway. That thing is looking hot.
Yeah.
Kind of want to turn it around. Then we put the rear roof spoiler on it. Black. He's got the tuxedo black roof. So we painted the front fenders. And then we added the Terminator hood. And we cut that lip off entirely, like we showed you in the other videos. So now when he puts his other mags on, they won't rub. And he spent a lot of money on his other wheels and tires, so he definitely doesn't want to mess that up. We went ahead and painted this black down here like we did on Adam's Azure Mach. We repainted the fog light bezels. And we did paint the underside of the hood as well. He's going to get some custom-made hood vents or aftermarket hood vents. Thing's hot though, I love it. All he needs is the 03 Cobra mirrors, like I said in the other videos, and he's done with this thing. Alright, I adjusted the camera, and now you can see the shaved Cobra bumper. Here I am right here. Here, Brent, come over here and get in the get in the reflection, Brent. Get down here.
Oh my gosh, this thing was awesome.
Wave, wave. No, up. There you go.
Yep,
it really does look good.
Smooth. Clear.
I gotta get a thumbnail for the video. Alright, so one last walk around of the car. Brandon's on his way. We'll get Brandon's reaction, what he thinks of it. And then we'll go for there. And we are doing a color change on this this coming fall. So just a heads up, I think we're going to go like the 2019 bullet green. And it's going to look hot. So I think he's going to do a Terminator swap. We're talking about Coyote, but it'll be a lot easier since this is already a 4.6 just to do a Terminator swap. Buy the drivetrain for like 10 grand and be done. And the Coyote would be probably about 15 to do it all right. So I think he's just going to do Terminator swap, which is still a good swap. It's just an older swap, and a lot of people are going towards the Coyotes. So we'll be back once once Brandon comes, and then we're going to go. I think we're going to go pick up a car, but we're not going to tell you yet. So we'll have to see if the guy replies back yet.
Alright guys, so we got a call yesterday about a 95 Cobra that had a roof fall on it, and he didn't want to fix it. So what do me and Tyler do? We offer him to buy it. Oh god, those are horrible taillight covers. Double stick tape. Look at that. Tyler, just rip that Cobra emblem off too, for real.
Yeah, dude, this is a 99 badge.
Yep, 99 badge.
Nobody ever gets the correct 95 to 98 badge. 94s didn't have the badge on
except
the
for us. We do get the right one.
Like what the
so
hell?
anyways, tree fell on it.
This is 94 or 5. Let me
tree
see.
fell on it.
What year is it, Brent?
This is 95, dude.
Yeah, it's a March built 95, exactly like my Rio Red one I used to have.
Yep. So Mach 460, stock everything except for T-handle.
It's got a charcoal leather rear gut.
Oh, does it really?
We'll open it. Let's get it off the trailer, then we'll show them the inside and stuff.
Yep, cool. So anyways, we just went and picked it up, so you guys will see the transformation on this thing. We're not telling you quite what we're doing with it yet, but we're gonna have some fun with it.
We're definitely not fixing it.
Yeah, yeah, we're not fixing it.
It's a part out, but we got some good ideas. The only thing that sucks about this, it has GT brakes.
The good thing? How's that good?
I said the bad thing, I think.
Oh.
Maybe
yeah,
I said good. I don't
think
know.
you said
The
good.
bad thing is...
Anyways, yeah, that's not a big deal, guys. We have a lot of Cobra brakes, but we don't care. We'd fix it if we need to.
And I don't know who number 8 is.
Just got us have Cobra rears.
We're definitely not...
And then actually, oh, those are my 95 Cobra wheels off my black Cobra, my stock ones. I did not sell the car with it. So I just had them in the garage, and the guy wanted to keep the wheels off this car, so it has stock 94 Cobra wheels on it. It's cool as hell. I know. It messed the quarter panel up.
I can't believe
Yeah, messed the spoiler up.
That's really bumming me out.
So,
And the
Tyler,
pictures
I've got an extra spoiler.
Yeah, but I wanted the deck lid. That deck lid's all warped. We'll have to do 8 hours body work to get it going.
Yeah. All right.
All right, let's unload.
Are you in neutral?
Time.
Yep. You got to stand?
Yep.
Awesome, guys. So we're excited. New toys. And it's starting to look like a Fox body shop here for a while just because we had like 8 of them. But as you guys have seen, we've got Willie's car here that we're fixing. We got to do shorty headers, a clutch, and some other stuff on it. The throw bearing is actually in 2 pieces. We've got the Mystic, we're doing bumpers, and then we've got this white Celine that honestly won't be here for too much longer, but thank God we got some SNs. And then obviously we got the 96 over there, that Cobra swap. But love having 95 Cobra. We should just drive the thing around. I mean, it'd be cool. Oh, well, all right. Tyler, don't do that. Someone might want to buy those, for real.
Dude, no one's going to buy those. We're going to run them up.
I know.
All right, Brent, come on.
All right, we got the Hulk with us. He's a tow man.